If you want a quick way to see your tasks inside Google Calendar, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. This is really useful if you use Google Tasks to stay organized and want all your reminders and to-do items visible alongside your calendar events. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once the calendar loads, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a section called My Calendars. Under that section, find the option for Tasks. If the box next to Tasks is not checked, click it once to turn it on. This will make your tasks appear on your calendar view, so you can see them alongside your scheduled events. Now, if you want to view your task lists more directly, look on the right side of the screen for the Tasks icon. This is the blue circle with a check mark inside it. Click that icon and Google Calendar will open your task list so you can review everything you've added. From there, you can quickly check what needs to be done, see upcoming tasks, and manage your schedule more efficiently without switching between different apps. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can see your tasks in Google Calendar and keep your day organized in one place. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who uses Google Calendar every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.